In this lab, you'll be tagging resources in Microsoft Azure to better organize and manage them. However, before turning the keys over to you, let's quickly run through the steps you'll be taking. You'll start by selecting DC01 from your resource list on the Azure portal home screen. This virtual machine is the first resource you'll be working with. From the virtual machine's overview page, you'll navigate to the tags section, where you'll begin adding tags that will help classify the resource. You'll first click into the name field to enter a tag name. For this exercise, you'll type environment and press enter to confirm. Then you'll move to the value field, where you'll provide the context for the environment tag by typing production and pressing enter again. After setting these tags, you'll click apply to finalize the changes. This tells Azure and anyone looking at it that this DC01 virtual machine is part of your production environment. Once you've tagged DC01, you'll return to the home screen to move on to tagging another resource. This time, you'll select the Web01 virtual machine and repeat the process. You'll click Tags, and in the name field, you'll select Environment. You can select it from the list this time because you've already created a tag with that name. However, this time, when you move to the Value field, you'll type Development to reflect a different use case for the Web01 server. As before, you'll click Apply to save the changes. After tagging both resources, you'll return to the home screen. To review your work, you'll use the search box at the top of the page to type tags and press enter. This will allow you to search for resources based on their tags, confirming that DC01 has been tagged as production and that Web01 has been tagged as development. It's a pretty straightforward lab, and now that you know what you need to do, it's your turn.